All right, gorgeous ones. So it's going to be another day. We're going to get this one done. This is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one because this last one was a fail. We've admitted, you know, mother TT has admitted it was a fail. So we're going to do something different. We're going to try something different. And we're going to use some stuff I kind of know, sort of. I'm going to be using my Colourpop. So I'm going to be using my Yes Please. You know, I never noticed that they had names on the back. I really don't like names on the back. They make me work too hard. But anyway, we're going to get started. I already primed my eyes. I already set my eyes up and everything. So I'm going to start out with that bright yellow right there, which is called French Kiss, I guess. I hate when you have to try to look, you know, on the back to figure out which one it is to give the name to. But I guess that's French Kiss. Whatever it is, it's a bright yellow right in the corner. So if you got Yes Please. And, you know, the thing is you gotta, I love Colourpop shadows. You know, I really do. I really, really do. So, I'm going to do this again and we're going to talk through it, see what happens, see how this goes. Let me move this right here so then y'all can see it good. So just going to build it up a little bit right there. You know, build it up, build it up, build it up. I could bring it in a little closer, but I felt like before y'all could, like, you know, count the pores on my nose, see if I had any nostril hairs going on, stuff like that. So I think, is this close enough or do y'all want me to go closer the next time? Let me know, because then we can, you know, I will get closer. I just felt like I was just a little too close for comfort for y'all. And I just felt like I was just, you know, doing the most. I just really did. Okay, so next up, I'm going to use this color right here, which is, let me see if I do this right. All right, Champs. Yes, because I'm going to try to do this look right here. We're going to see what happens. We are going to see what happens. And I'm not even going to say what it is until I figure it out. So I'm going high up in my crease with this. And you know what? You got to love Colourpop. Colourpop be killing it when it comes to Colourpop. I know, and everybody's probably buying the foundation today as we speak. But honestly, my money's a little funny right now. I'm going to be having to go on pretty much a no buy, almost super low, pretty much no buy for the next couple of months through the summer because, you know, I work in the schools. I'm not on a 12-month where I'm getting paid every day. So right now I've got to just pay my bills because I'm trying to look for a little part-time job for the summer. You know, until I start back to work because they're actually trying to hire me at the bad school I've been at. Now they love me, they want me to stay. Next I'm going to use this color. Whoops. I'm going to use this color right here. I think it's butter cake. I don't know. Because it don't look like butter cake. This looks like butter cake to me. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to put this like deep in the crease. Deep in the crease. This is going to be like my serious crease color right here. I'm going to take it around, take it around, take it around. So yeah, until I find a little part-time job for the summer, all I'm going to be doing is paying my bills, which means that I can't buy any more makeup for a minute. Not to say that I don't have a whole lot of makeup. I'm not going to sit here and lie and say that, oh, my life will be over if I can't buy makeup. But, you know, with me doing YouTube, it is kind of like I do try to stay up on top of things and be able to tell you about the newer products, at least the ones I can get my hands on. Because Lord knows I can't get everything. I would like to. I mean, no lies. No lies here. No lies here. If it was up to me, I would get almost every product out there. I'll be rocking every product, but I get the ones I can. So I'm going to do that Champs again because I really want to make this work. You know, but I can't. So I have to do what I can. And so right now I'm going to have to, like, you know, just drill down. So there will still be, of course, all types of videos coming out because I have a lot of products. You know, it's not like I can't do things. I can't do eye looks. I just don't, we'll just talk about makeup, the new makeup, until I can afford it, you know, and then, I mean, it's no big deal. But anyway, so yeah, I'm doing this. I want to make this a little intense, you know, give it, and so we're going to go like this. And I'm really just kind of like following my crease, this whole little eye socket area. That's what I'm doing. I'm following it for the look that I'm going for, because I want it like this. Let me go in here. And I always have to look because I can't, sometimes it looks like this eye isn't as you know, it's like when you're doing it, you got to try to make sure you balance out the colors correctly, because it's so easy to get one really going well, and then the other one is like, I'm going to go and put a little more of that yellow on top just to blend it out, just to get a nice blend on the top, because I don't want to have, you know, a stripy line. You want to have a nice blend. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing, so we'll talk about the new releases. I will still stay up on the sales and everything for you all, but I'm just not spending. I just don't have it right now. And that's the reality of being a YouTuber, especially a small YouTuber, is that things are based on what you can afford to do. And sometimes you just can't afford it. You know, you just got to be real with yourself. It's like, I can't get all the palettes that I want. So like right now, I think I'm going to try to grab my coins together and get that new Violet Voss, because I kind of want it. I really do. I know lies. So it's going to be like, okay, what can I put in my budget? And to be honest, like, I have a budget that I try to stay with. And I was going to talk about that, but you know, it's kind of important that you do a budget, especially when you're doing something like this. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to carve out a little bit, this little area, because I want to make sure that I get it good and I make sure it's done properly, because you want it done properly. Yeah, but when it comes down to it, it's like, okay, I have a pretty high budget that I try to stay under when, you know, when I'm working. When my coins is right, what I try to do is not spend more than $300 in a month on makeup. And I know that sounds insanely too much, but remember what I'm doing. So even though it sounds insane, with me doing YouTube, it really isn't. And you know, you can't take it off on your taxes. You know, with me having a YouTube channel, there's a certain amount of tax write-offs involved. So, you know, so that's why. But, you know, and I mean, I'm talking about doing things like buying products. Like right now, one of the things I do want to get is there's some, and I'm going to splurge on some skincare with my last few checks. Because, you know, Walgreens is having their buy 2 get 1 free. So I have a cart of stuff I want to try, because it's skincare, you know. And understand, when I say 300, I do include my skincare. So it's like some months, you know, it might be a lot of skincare that I'm buying. I don't really include my hair care, because I really don't talk about hair care, even though I guess I should. But, and I guess I could talk about hair care, like some of the conditioners and things I use on my hair. But because I don't take my hair seriously, you know, I don't sit around going, oh my God, I'm, you know, this natural chick. Since I'm not that one. Okay, so I went too high on this one already, I can tell. So I'll fix it up though. Fix it. Fix it, because this is more rounded. That's why I hate doing the side. Sometimes I told you I have issues with the left side. Shit. So I'm going to have to fix this right quick, because I went too far out. And this one is perfect the way I want it. But yeah, so I do, like I said, I do have a pretty high budget. No lies. No lies here. When it comes down to spending. So that's why I try to stay within that budget. I don't always do it. Sometimes I spend more. Sometimes I spend less. And I'm so pleasantly surprised with myself when I do. And I think like when I really get to doing it, I might even divulge how much I spend, you know, in a month. Like keep up with it and say, okay, so this is, my budget is this. Would you all like to see that? Let me know if that would be interesting. You know, what did I buy with my budget? And now let me tell you certain things that I do with the budget. I might do things like use Beautylish flex payments so that, but those still count in the budget. So say, you know what I'm saying? So like, I might have a bunch of Beautylish one month, but I've only paid like, you know, I've only used $50 or $60 in my budget to buy a bunch of Beautylish. So then, but it comes out every month for 3 months. Okay, so this side is a little too much. Too much, too much, too much. So let me give this a little love on this side. So yeah, I might do that, you know, just like really like divulge. Okay, so this is how much I spent this month, you know, and then we'll see, you know, we'll see how much, what the budget bought that month. I think that's kind of cute. What do y'all think? I think that would be kind of cute. And then it would keep me on target on my spending. It would force me to be honest with myself and really see what I spend. Even though I know I'm not spending that much this year because I barely made platinum already. Yeah, you know, like platinum at Ulta, which by now normally I'd be deep in platinum land. I'd be deep in platinum, like, please. Last year this time, I spent, but like I said though, the difference was though I did get a lot of gift cards. So that did help. That did help you know. So some of it wasn't me spending my money. It was, you know, spending the money that I had gotten. And I was just starting out my YouTube channel, and I was like a frantic whore in Ulta. Be like, oh, I got to get it. I need it. I need it. I got to go to Ulta and get something. So now I'm going to set this with this dandelion, which is that white in my blossom palette. So I'm going to use that to set right in here because I really want it to be kind of pretty vibrant. I want it to be pretty vibrant. So I'm just going to set this right quick with a little of this. So I'm going to make this just a little bit more. Okay. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to set this with this white. Set it with the white. And so now what I'm going to use is, so yeah, so just so you know, so I would love to be buying a lot of products right now, but I can't afford it. So it'll be like, you know, low buying, talking about makeup, using the makeup I have, and dreaming about makeup. Because I ain't gonna lie, I do. So I have this, I didn't show you guys this. I bought Colourpop singles. And so this is this little palette I put them in now. I want to get, see, this is the problem with me. I've got these Colourpop singles and I'm like, I got a whole nother list of the rest that I need to get right now because I feel like, but there's some more colors I need. You know, oh, let me finish them up. Just like when I see, that's why I haven't gone to get Sydney Grace or some other single, you know, companies, because I know me. I'll be like, ooh, but I need this. So anyway, I'm going to use this color right here, which is, let's see what it is. It is 143. So I'm going to use this, and I am about to pack it in that little space. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to pack it right in this little space. Okay, so I've been working on this and trying to blend it and everything. It's pretty decent, but as I always say, when in doubt, wing it out. So I'm about to get off camera again, and I am going to wing out, put my wing on and everything, and come back with my face on. We'll finish up these eyes. We'll see how they kind of wind up. I kind of like it. I don't know yet, but we'll see what happens. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we back to do this, and you see the wing is on, and let me do my under eyes because I have got my face on, my eyeliner on. We are ready to finish this face up. You know what I'm saying? We are ready to finish this face. So let me just do a little bit right quick. Let me find a pencil brush. Can I find a pencil brush? Do I have a pencil brush out? Do you have a pencil brush? Oops. I know I do because I had one. Okay, here we go. Pencil brush. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to take the 147, I think it is. I think that's the number on it or whatever. And I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. Come on. And then I'm going to take this color and this one in the Colourpop, and I'm going to run it under that. And then finally, I am going to hit my inner corner with this color right here. That's Glass Bull. I had to have it because I heard so much about this color. So let's see how it looks in the inner corner. I don't know if this is really something that I should be doing in the inner corner. All right, so now time for some lashes and a little lipstick. So let's see you in a minute. All right, so let's see the face. I just love the fact that y'all let me be me because I'm stupid. Okay, so here's the look. It's a little graduated, little purpley look. I don't know what to call it. But I don't know what I just did to my hair either. What am I doing? Okay, but anyway. My picture looks better though. But anyway, thank you. Let me know what you think of it, as always. And if you like it, as we know, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think, what your thoughts are. And as always, it's your LuuLuu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Bye-bye.